rocking my G-Shock. I'm 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 rocking my G-Shock.
What's up, YouTube? Got another video today. We got the BGA190, the Hello Kitty edition G-Shock Baby G. Let's take a look at this one here. Once again, the model number is BGA190KT for, I'm guessing, kitty, -7, 7 for white, BCR, module 5382. There it is. Hello Kitty. This is the travel edition, is what they call it, the World Traveler theme. It's got a map, looks like a map on the box with Hello Kitty traveling around the world. Some world time functions there. There's the other side of the box. Water resistant watch, north, south, west, east. Hello Kitty. Here's the other side of the box. The other side of the map, LED light. Hello Kitty is a world traveler. Now let's take a look at the case, which is, I think, is pretty neat. Nice little concept, nice little incorporation of the travel. Here's the inner box, inner layer. See here, it looks like stamps from a passport. And here is the cool little case, which resembles a nice little cool luggage, little suitcase for travel purposes. Very neat, very cool. Baby G, Hello Kitty on the top there, or on the side, I should say. Open it up like that. Pull the lid open, and out comes the watch. Baby G, Hello Kitty once again in gold, nice gold print. And this is like a cool microfiber, feels like, texture on the inside of the box. It's got the fox leather pillow there. Nice tan brown leather with the gold buttons. Check out the watch. Now this watch was released in 2018, and it's the second edition of the Baby G G-Shock watch. The first one, there was a release in 2016, which was graffiti inspired. I show you guys a picture of how that looks. This one's the World Traveler, and since then, since 2018, there's a 2019 edition of they call it the Quote. The Quote edition comes in pink and white. There's a pink one, there's a white one. Not as cool as the first two of these editions. The first one, the graffiti, was pretty cool, and now this one with the World Traveler. This watch comes in white, and there's also a black edition. Now let's take a look at the details. This is a small version. This is a Baby G, so they're usually very small. As you can see on the band, it's got this cool little print. Looks like a passport book, and stamps on the book of Kitty traveling. Cute. Very cool. Very nice for the daughters out there, for the women out there. I think it's a cool colorway. And there you have it. Nice, cool passport design on the band. Hello Kitty traveling the world. Now, let's look at the back plate. You have your 5382 module there on the back plate. BGA190KT. There's Hello Kitty in a plane. Single engine plane, or with his bomber cap on and her bow. Pretty cool. You can see there says 2018 right there. Sunreal. All right, now let's look at the display. Now this is pretty neat. It's got this, looks like an atlas, right? It looks like the world map behind there. Here's a print. Looks like a nice little print of the map there. Here's your world time here. So I'll show you how to function that. It's got a nice little transparent film around the edge there. A little plastic, cool. makes the hour hands float. It looks like they're floating in the air, which is pretty neat, pretty cool. And then nice little touch here is Hello Kitty's bow on the hour hand there. If you can see it, let me zoom in a little better. That's pretty cool. Nice little touch. So let's go through the functions here. You have world time, right, which is this time there. Stopwatch, your timer, your alarm, and then you're back to your home time. There you go. Here's the light, how that looks. It's pretty cool. All right, so the world time here, so here's your press the adjust button and get to your date window, May 29th, your day, and your seconds display. So you could change the little window there to display all those little options, the time, the date, the day, and the seconds. Okay. The world time there. You could change the world time and going up and down. So there's the different options there. You can see the world time window change accordingly. Okay. Back to your home time. Push and hold the adjust button to adjust. Currently have it set to Chicago. Daylight savings time is on. 12-hour format. Seconds, hour, minute, year, month, date. Key on or off, light 1 or 3 seconds, and back to adjust to exit. And there you have it. So there you guys have it. Nice, cool little watch. Very nice matte white finish with the gray print on there. Like I said, this is the 2018 release World Traveler Edition, which is the second one of the series. The first was, once again, the graffiti, and the third and last one, a recent one, is a 2019 edition of the quilt, which I think this and the graffiti are much better. So there you guys have it. Thanks for watching. For all you Hello Kitty fans, I think this is adorable. For your daughters, for your kids out there. Very nice little package. The whole 9 yards. Very cool. There you have it. With that, I'll see you guys very soon. This is Chavo Dishago. I'm out of here. Bye-bye, Hello Kitty. Peace.
I'm rocking my G-Shock, I'm rocking my G-Shock, I'm rocking my G-Shock, I'm rocking my G-Shock, I'm rocking